All right, guys, we may have a fish on over here, guys. Let's go fishing. It broke me off, guys. Look at that. It broke me clean off. Oh my goodness. Ah, something big. There was a blow up on that side. Let's see if we can get lucky. Come on, guys. I almost lost this pole a while ago.
This is for the fathers around the globe. We love you more than you'll ever know. For the strength you gave me, you're truly amazing. Happy Father's Day. Place you on the highest pedestal. We love you more than you'll ever know. You chose to man up, you chose to stand up. Happy Father's Day. From my first breath to my first steps, Pops, you took me under your wing.
Good morning, anglers. This is Anglers 48. Coming to you from Hidalgo County, Texas. What's in store? We're doing some freshwater fishing. We got frozen cut bait. We got cut hot dogs and chicken liver. 3 poles. Getting a late start to the day. Flying solo today. No partner in crime Tony. No Captain Roy. But we're gonna cross our fingers and we're gonna see if we can get something nice. The creek here overflowed, right, because of all the rain that we got. So we're gonna cross our fingers and see if, you know, some monster fish are around. All right, we want to be able to take old school Roy, Captain Roy, my dad, a nice cat, right? So let's go ahead and get to work here in Hidalgo County. You ready? Let's go. All right, anglers. Fish on, guys. We have a fish on. Nice, guys. Whee! Nice fish, guys. Oh my goodness. Good hooks it. Good hooks it, guys. On cut mullet. We are using cut mullet here today. Beautiful channel cat, flying solo, no partner in crime Tony, no Captain Roy. We're trying to get my dad a fish, and we're gonna go ahead and take this fish right here, guys, for dad. So let's go ahead and continue here in Hidalgo County. Let's go, guys. Anglers, fish on, guys, fish on. Missed it. All right, anglers, fish on, boys, fish on. Nice, guys, man. Feeding them cut mullet for breakfast, guys. That's a beauty right there, man. Beauty. Oh my goodness. Look at that, guys. Here in Hidalgo County, guys. They are hungry, guys. That water that came in over the weekend, it really picked up the bite. Beautiful morning. Let's go ahead and see if we can get some more, guys, here in Hidalgo County. Fish on, guys. Oh my goodness, guys. The big ones are here. The big ones, guys. This guy went for the shrimp. This guy went for the shrimp right here, guys. Oh my goodness, guys. Look at that beauty right there. Whew. Man, it almost took the pole. It almost took the pole, guys. Look at that, guys. My goodness. Captain Roy, you need to be here. The water levels, unfortunately, are gonna go down back to normal. If they would stay like this, they would be, you know, over the top. Let's continue, guys, catching monsters here in Hidalgo County. Fish on, guys. Oh my goodness, guys. The big ones are here. The big ones, guys. This guy went for the shrimp. This guy went for the shrimp right here, guys. Oh my goodness, guys. Look at that beauty right there. Whew. Man, it almost took the pole. It almost took the pole, guys. Look at that, guys. My goodness. Captain Roy, you need to be here. The water levels, unfortunately, are gonna go down back to normal. If they would stay like this, they would be, you know, over the top. Let's continue, guys, catching monsters here in Hidalgo County. Fish on, guys. Fish on here in Hidalgo County. Let's go. Nice one, guys. Oh my goodness, this one is a beauty. Whoa, and it came off, guys. It came off, boys. Look at this beauty, guys, right here. Only in Hidalgo County. Flying solo, 3 poles. This one has been doing all the work, guys. They've been hitting just this one, but they're all baited the same way. Cut mullet. Nice one. Look at that, guys. Here in Hidalgo County. Let's get going, guys. Fish on, boys. Fish on here in Hidalgo County. Let's go. The smallest one of the morning. We have been on fire today, guys. On fire. It's a nice channel. Right now, a fish almost took one of my poles, guys, and it let go. It would have probably taken it, guys. So, man, it's an amazing morning. Beautiful weather, and yeah, we're on the tear here in Hidalgo County. Let's get to work, guys. Come on, guys. Fish on. This one right here. That one. Right there. Oh, there it is. Doesn't feel like a river monster. Nice. It's a small catfish, guys. Small catfish right here. Nice. Look at that. Wow. But we're still hoping for a river monster, guys. Nice. And on shrimp, they went for that shrimp right there, guys. We're getting some more hits right there. Wanna rebait? Look at that, guys. Nice. Let's continue, guys, here in Hidalgo County, trying to get my pops a river monster. Well, anglers, that's gonna wrap today's adventure and today's fishing break, right? Easter break. It's over. Had a blast. We were tearing it up, guys. Non-stop fishing today. Beautiful weather. This creek right here is filled to the max. It's overflowing, so that's what probably brought up all those fish. And not a bad way to end my vacation. Time to get my head on straight for work. The video's coming soon, and thanks for watching, guys. Appreciate it. Let's go.